Hey, what's up guys? My name is Ilyas and welcome to your 5th tutorial on jQuery. And this tutorial I'll be teaching you guys how to work with text elements like text boxes and their values. So first let's get rid of all these buttons down here first, as well as of this code. So what I want to have is I want to have a text box which is input typed text, and I want to have a submit button and a div element which is going to be our display. By the way, let's just name our elements. We'll just say text box. Alright, now you see you don't really see the display, right? Let me start for you real quick. So let's have a display of 200 pixels width and the same height, and let's apply a border of 1 pixel dashed gray. Right, so now you see a text box, a submit button, and the display. So what I want to do is every time I enter my text right here in this text box and press submit, I want this text to move to the display. Just pretty much submit the text to the display. So since I want something to happen when I press the submit button, I'm gonna start with the submit button first. And let's select our submit button and use this click event we learned in the previous tutorial. So the next step is I want to select this element and get its value and store it to a variable. So let's just go ahead and define a variable called, I'll just call it txt, and set it equal to the value of the text box. And this val function just fetches the text box's value, and then I just store it in my txt variable. And then I can use I would need to select the display and set its HTML property to this to the content of the txt variable. So let's see the result. I type a text and I press submit, and my text is being submitted to this display. But I really want to clear the text box after I press submit, so I want to select my text box again and set its value to be empty, just two codes and nothing in it. So let's test it. Test, submit. You see, I am pretty much submitting the text to the display. So that's it for this tutorial. And in the next tutorial, we are gonna building a simple chat, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. So I hope you guys learn new stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. And thanks for watching.